Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope so you all are fine. This is our computer book, and students, we done our chapter number 1 reading, and the name of chapter 1 is parts of a computer, यानी कि कंप्यूटर के हिस्से. Students, in previous lecture we done our exercise 1, which is answer the following questions. Now students, open your book page number 9. Today we are going to start our exercise 2. Write the correct name under each picture. यानी कि ये जो pictures बनी हुई हैं इसके नीचे हमने इसका correct name लिखना है कि इसका नाम क्या होता है. Yes student, look at this first picture. What is this? This is system unit. Write system unit here. Now look at this second picture. Students, what is this? This is mouse. Write mouse here. Look at this picture. What is this? This is keyboard. Write keyboard here. Now look at this last one picture. What is this? This is monitor. Write monitor here. Now students, we are going to start our exercise 3. Circle the pictures of computer parts. अब हमने क्या करना है कि हमने सर्कल करना है इनमें से जो भी कंप्यूटर के पार्ट्स हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ ऑन योर बुक्स. आपने सिंपल सर्कल करना है जो जो कंप्यूटर के पार्ट्स हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, आई होप सो यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड दिस लेक्चर. Learn this exercise with spelling and do it on your books. Thank you so much student. Khuda Hafiz.